It was supposed to be a day of joy and worship, but the dark skies had other plans. As the congregation gathered at the Solution Ground for Life Sunday service, a torrential downpour swept in and disrupted the service.
Panic began to spread as the rain pounded against the church's temporary roof, causing it to collapse under the pressure. Water poured in, soaking the worshipers and sending them scurrying for cover. Among the chaos were nursing mothers, children, and many other individuals. As the storm raged on, the congregation's initial fear gave way to resilience and community. Some members quickly grabbed plantain leaves to create makeshift shelters, while others worked together to repair the damaged roof.
As the repairs progressed, the worshippers began to sing. Their voices rising above the din of the rain. The song was one of hope and faith, a declaration that even in the midst of turmoil, God was still present.
In the midst of these challenges, God's servant, Senior Evangelist Terence, went down on his knees praying and thanking God for the process. As he says that the rain is a servant and he is also a servant, every Sunday people from all walks of life, far and wide, come to the Solution Ground to receive healing, deliverance, and the message of salvation.
Believe Jesus Christ will heal you. Stand up and walk in the name of Jesus.
Somebody celebrate Jesus!
Stand up and walk in the name of Jesus. Jesus Christ will heal you. Believe Jesus Christ will heal you. Stand up and walk in the name of Jesus. Jesus Christ will heal you.
Dear esteemed viewers, you are part of this incredible journey. Let's join hands and hearts to build a sanctuary where countless lives will be transformed. Your smallest contribution can make a significant impact in building God's kingdom. Remember David's passion. I will not rest or sleep until I see the house of God built.
Viewers all over the world, thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you for your donation. We are praying and banking for your support and donation. You can see it's a very mighty project. Thank you so much. God bless you.